Okay, what's up, guys? Got something a lot different for you guys today. It's math, but just don't leave just yet. I got something really cool for you. So I managed to start out with a equals b, right? And then I've got to the end, and 2 all of a sudden equals 1. How? So I'm going to explain this to you guys. As you should know, if you don't, you're going to learn something. In algebra, if you have two-sided expressions, then if you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So say, for example, if I times this side by a times a is a squared, and then b times a is, well, b times a, which gives you ab. That's already the first couple of steps done. Now, if we take b squared from both sides, we're just left with a squared minus b squared and ab minus b squared. It makes sense. If we express this one, if we express them in brackets, this one would be binomials, this one would be just single brackets, which is a bit complicated when it comes to binomials, but you know, I can explain it for you. So we have a times a and a times negative b. The a times a gives us the a squared. The a times negative b, we'll worry about in a sec. Then we've got b times a, and then b times negative b, which gives us negative b squared. The reason why I said that we don't really need to worry about the a times the b is because it'll give us a negative ab, because a times negative b is going to wind up negative, so that would be negative ab, and then we'd also have an ab, so it'd be ab minus ab, which cancels out, so we don't need to worry about that. So that's just that. So that's the exact same thing, essentially, just in brackets. Same as this, it's b times a gives us that there, and then b times negative b gives us that there. So we go off of that. We can then cancel this part, also known as dividing it, same thing, because if you have it on both sides, you can simplify it by cancelling it out, because these are basically just times together, and these are basically just times together there. So that means that AB, which we have there as our final thing, is there. And then we have the B from here, down here, right? Makes sense. But the problem is now we have A plus B equals B. And remember how I said A equals B at the start? That means they're switch outable for one another. Which means that I can make it so that B plus B equals B. 2 sets of B equal 1B. So if we divide this entire thing by B, it means that 2 equals 1. And that's it. That's all I wanted this video for.